Dibac includes a very powerful function called stretch. This function allows you to deform a region of the floor plan by extending, shortening, and moving its geometry. Click on the stretch function and select the region by making a selection box of the area that will be affected by this tool. After making the box, you can stretch the region with or without the orthogonal locking. As you can see, the existing dimensions will be also affected as long as they are included in the stretch box selection. The stretch tool doesn't affect blocks or joinery items. Therefore, if I make a selection box without including the whole window, the function will stretch the part of the wall outside the recess of the window, leaving a space between the wall and the joinery item. To avoid this, make sure to include the whole window in the stretch region. You can stretch the geometry by clicking with the mouse or by indicating a direction and typing a distance. You can also stretch lines, arcs, and polylines. The function will affect in different ways depending on the selected region and the direction of the movement.